Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2017 Indian Chieftain, featuring a California sidecar TRIKE kit with 34,685 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated seats, keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, reverse, navigation, electronic windshield, and an onboard computer. A stylish and relaxed motorcycle, the TRIKE kit adds stability, comfort, and confidence to an already robust motorcycle. Powered by a Thunderstroke 111 cubic inch motor, the Chieftain puts 119 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. Adding to its appeal are the generous storage options, rider and passenger amenities, and cutting-edge instrumentation. It has a 26-inch seat height and a stock weight of 860 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.